forgive the girl. I was praying for her.
So you forgive?
I forgive.
It's a
yeah.
choice.
Hindi ko
Forgiveness.
nakita ko eh. Love your enemies.
Mm.
Ay, Lord, paano ko gagawin yan? I was on my knees just praying. And not only once, until you overcome that hate and that galit, I did not stop. And the Lord really softened my heart. And I prayed for her. Sabi, love your enemies. Love your neighbor as yourself. O di syempre, I got saved. Naligtas na ako. So, pinapray na namin siya many times a day, 6, 7 times a day. We would just go to the Lord and pray. On the 7th month, nakita ko yun. John 14:13. Whatever you ask in my name. Alam mo,
So what happened?
umagulgul ako. Sabi ko, Lord, at that moment, I did not even have an iota of doubt. My husband was going to come back. So the word of God became real to me talaga.
Pero bumalik.
On the 9th month.
Okay, bumalik pero nawala ulit.
After 2
2.5
years. Yeah.
Or
What's,
3.
oo, yun yan.
Yeah. So, merong lesson kasing tinuturo pa rin ng Diyos sa akin. It's not about my husband. My husband, we learned about God one day. On the second time that he left, I found out in the restaurant, the girl was there. Siya galit ako. I was on my knees. Sabi ko, Lord, I don't want to go there anymore. Kasi, baka masaktan ko yan, Alam mo, yung head waiter namin sabi niya, Ma'am, nandito yung babae. Sabi ko, teka muna. My husband came down sa parking and I said, we have something to talk about. Hindi kami nagsisigawan. And then he went home, we spoke to each other. Wala, parang very controlled yung emotions ko. Sabi, parang ayaw niyang aminin. Okay, trying to, Ito yung sinabi ko. I never want to see your face here. So, he used that. And he didn't come back anymore. So ngayon, that night, okay, ando pa yung husband ko sa bahay namin. I was already on my knees. I was crying to the Lord. I was pounding on our bed. And I said, Lord, take away my pain. Sabi ko, deafen my ears. Whatever I will hear from people. Nakita nila, meron kasama, ganyan. Basta I was just pounding, I was crying to the Lord. And at the end, sabi ko, Lord, I know you will make my life exciting.
What did you learn as a mother? What is motherhood?
Sacrifice.
You cannot give up. It's sacrifice. I have learned to die to myself. It's very important. It's not about me. If it was about me, I'd be so selfish. And, for all the mothers out there, what's important is to learn how to be a good one. We cannot be proud in saying, alam ko na yan, mabait akong ina, lahat provide mo. Baka yun ang mali. So, it has to be, a deeper understanding of, each of a child, ano ang kanyang kilite? Ano yung magiging, what would make you closer to her, that she would listen to you. It's still a challenge between me and my daughter.